What's going on, guys? In this today's video, I'll be showing you guys how do you guys start drop servicing business with and get your way into the $1,000 per month. And that is usually people say that you can start drop servicing with building a ClickFunnels sales funnel and then running traffic with Google Ads. But in this video, if you stick in until the end of the video, you'll learn that I'm going to show you a free way that you can start doing this for free. That is, um, stick. That is using Upwork and Freelancer.com to get the clients, and without even having to build a funnel. But for this video, I'll be guys showing you guys also a way that you can build a funnel with cheaper price, which is Builderall. I'll be guys leaving you guys a link down in the description so you can try this out. And again, ClickFunnels is expensive, so Builderall is the best way that you can use. I also have a ClickFunnels account right now with me, but I don't actually use it right now. I'm trying to switch. I'm still on trial with the Builderall. I'm switching on to Builderall because it's cheaper, easier, and it has more features. It has Pixel Perfect Site Builder, which is an entire site, Cheetah drag and drop, which you can build a website for clients if you want. If you are looking to for this video that I'm teaching you guys is um, searching a client that needs a website, like for example, a chiropractor or someone who has a shop, restaurant, and anything like that. You can come here. They have templates that are ready to make, and you can just two ways that you can make a commission for them from them by providing them your link for the Builderall for the free trial, and also by charging them 500 or 300 per website. For this video, I'll be sticking in the website builder because that's the easiest way that you can start your way to from zero to $1,000. That's it for now. And the other way, there's also other features. They have the canvas, they have the e-commerce, they have website webinar if you want to do webinar. They have e-learning, which is also courses. App builder, which is I haven't tried out, but people say that you can build an apps with this. There's many features that app builder has. Okay, but for now we'll be sticking with this one. Before that, we need to also make our research. We first need to go to. Sorry guys for this. We first need to go for the browse and search for clients. Once we found one, then we'll be heading into getting the client and then driving traffic from the here. Not traffic, I mean, like for example, someone who needs a website will be bidding on them like multiple bids a day. Also, if you guys need to get now if you choose someone like for example this one, and we have bid as much as we can until we get a job from there. You can start with the free one, but there's if your bids has been limited, usually the free one has 15 limits, and then every 5 hours you get new limit. But for me, I have the $69 per month, which is gives me 1,500 limits, and if I finished it, I'll be getting uh, new job posting every single day around 500. That's for the free account. For the paid account, then
Hello.
now we'll be going to click on create new website. We'll name it website for this video. So here's are the templates that are available. There's plastic surgeon, real estate, and many more. Let's wait until it loaded because I have clicked it 2 times. Alright, so here are the templates that you can use. Real estate, if you have a real estate client. For this example, would be just sticking in with the real estate. Alright, so here are the website that you can edit. Okay, so we have the home page, the thank you page. We'll be clicking the home page and edit. And in here, all you gotta do is do some editing, like drag and drop, maybe changing the name of the company that you're working for, and put in logo or something like that. That's all you gotta do with this. And then show a preview the website you built for your client, and that's it. So here are the menus, and there's gonna be a tour where if you are not familiar with this. And then yeah, very simple. Change the background, change the name. You can choose different layouts. Yeah, and that's it. If you guys are interested in more videos like this, I'll be making part 2 of the job servicing, and maybe tomorrow. Don't forget to check out the Builder free trial down in the description. You get 30 days free trial. Also, if you guys are interested in, if you want to start with freelancer, I'm going to give you a link there that you can get um, $20 off of your next purchase. Thank you guys.